The 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. This is a quad cab pickup truck, powered by a 4.7-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This all-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This Dodge features power steering, air conditioning, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, a CD player with MP3, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.